Hello friend, in this video we will discuss another ransomware virus which is new into the computer. The virus name is Jhbg, which have attacked your PC and all the files and all the documents and all the videos, pictures, words file, PDF file, all the data has been encrypted with the Jhbg extension. So as you can see that in my case the encrypted files have extension .vvoa. In your case it will be Jhbg. They are attacker. They encrypt your data which you cannot. If you want to remove their extension like that, if I want to remove this extension, as you see that, so they will ask you that if you change the file name extension, the file become unusable. Okay, the file all will below. I am telling you the method by which you will recover your all data from ransomware encrypted. So first of all I am telling you some method. First of all, when they attack your PC, first thing you have to do is turn off your internet. After turning off your internet, when you have turned off your internet, then in the second step go to the task manager. Go to the window option. Here go to the task manager. After going to the task manager, you will see here some unknown background process will be running in your PC. In my case, I have shut down all the unknown background software which are running in my PC. In your case, you will see some unknown background process will be running. If you see any unknown process in your PC, first you have to select just like that and click on the end task, just like that. Click on the end task like that. Okay, after ending the end task, after doing the ending task, the unknown process, close it and go to the C drive. Okay, go to the C drive and then go to the window. After going to the windows, go to the folder name is system32. After going to the system32, you will see a folder named driver. Open it, and after drive go to the etc. You will see a file name is host.txt will be here. Okay, just click on it and click on the edit, and you will see some unknown IP addresses here below. Okay, a website will be attached like that .com. So when you see some unknown IP addresses here below these two addresses, okay, just click select them like that. Just select them like that, and after selecting them like that, click on the delete. Okay, after deleting this, then go to the file option and click on the save. Okay, now you are disconnected from the ransomware attackers. Also, one thing I want to tell you, that they will also place one file in your PC just like their readme.txt. They will ask you for some money, so do not pay. In my case like that, they are asking for $490 and $980, and they will provide you the email address as well, so do not pay them. Okay, they will again cheat you. I am telling you, so do not pay them. I hope you will like. So now I am telling you the process by which you can decrypt your all the data. I am telling you some software. These are the software. One is Emisource Stop Decryptor, second is Shadow Explorer, third is Photorec, and fourth is Free Malware. I will provide the address. I will provide their addresses in the description section as well, so you can download them and use them to decrypt your data. Okay, I hope you will understand all the process how to do. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section as well if you are finding difficulty in your decrypting data. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.